Hi, Desiree here at Love That Door in our Frisco showroom, answering some of your most frequently asked questions. This question is a good one. Are iron doors more expensive than wooden doors? Great question. Really depends on where you live, the product, and style. Initially, your cost is going to be a little more expensive with an iron door, but in the long run, that wooden door is going to need to be replaced. It's going to need to be painted, maintenance, rehung if you are living on a foundation that's constantly shifting. So in the beginning, an iron door is more expensive, but it's going to pay off in the long run because of the maintenance is going to be far less, and it's a much more durable product with a lifespan that's 2 to 3 times longer than a wooden door. For any other questions you might have for your next home improvement product, visit us at lovethatdoor.com. There you will learn more about our single doors, double door sliders, windows, really any product that you might be interested in.